Hey, hello guys. My name is Omrani. Today we are diving into an important AWS service that simplifies the application deployment. Guess what? It's AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Whether you are a developer or just curious about the cloud solutions, this video will give you a complete understanding of how AWS Elastic Beanstalk works and why it's so popular. So without any further delay, let's start with the basics. First of all, AWS Elastic Beanstalk can be considered as a platform as a service, also known as PaaS, which is offered by Amazon Web Services. It allows the developers to deploy their web applications and manage them without handling the underlying infrastructure. You can see on the screen it provides a variety of features. First of all, it's a fully managed service, meaning that AWS takes care of the infrastructure setup and scaling. Secondly, it also enables the fast deployment of the applications with minimal configuration. It also supports multiple programming languages, including Python, Node.js, Java, and many more. It also provides the features of auto-scaling and building monitoring and troubleshooting for performance insights. Thus, in simple words, Beanstalk lets you focus on coding while AWS handles the heavy lifting. Moving further, let's see the key components that make Elastic Beanstalk work so efficiently. First of all, there is application. This is nothing but a logical collection of Elastic Beanstalk environments, versions, and configurations. Then there is application version. Furthermore, there is environment, which is nothing but a deployment instance that runs your app using AWS resources. Furthermore, there is platform scaling and monitoring. Because monitoring tracks the application health logs using AWS CloudWatch. How does Elastic Beanstalk actually work? Let me simplify it. First of all, a client sends timestamp request to the web server. If the web server is busy, then the request is forwarded to the AWS Simple Queue service. The worker daemon pulls the request from the queue and processes it, as you can see in the figure shown on the screen. And lastly, the Beanstalk worker sends a response back to the client. So essentially, Beanstalk manages the flow of requests, ensuring smooth handling even under high traffic. This was the basic working of Elastic Beanstalk. Next, life cycle of Elastic. Elastic Beanstalk follows a structured life cycle to handle your app from start to finish. First of all, the developers upload the code to Beanstalk. Then Beanstalk sets up EC2 instances, load balancers, and security groups. Then the traffic is distributed evenly across the instances. Beanstalk scales resources based on the traffic and load. Application health and performance are tracked automatically, and under updates and maintenance, Beanstalk handles the automatic updates and patches. So this life cycle ensures your app runs smoothly without needing manual intervention. So where exactly is Elastic Beanstalk used? First of all, web applications. Thus, developers use it to quickly deploy and scale the web applications. It is also used to host and manage the RESTful APIs with ease. APIs, as you know, application programming interfaces. It is also used to deploy the containerized microservices. It is furthermore used to manage the backend processing for mobile applications and to provide secure environments for testing and CI/CD pipelines, continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. Thus, the flexibility of Elastic Beanstalk makes it ideal for a wide range of use cases. But Elastic Beanstalk isn't perfect. It has some limitations too. To name a few, it is less customized. It has a limited customization. It provides less control over infrastructure. Then this complex app may face longer deployment times. It also has the limits about scaling, which are limited compared to EC2. Then it has strong dependency on AWS ecosystem, and it also supports only certain programming languages. So there are some alternatives to AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Firstly, there is AWS Fargate, which is serverless container, which provides serverless container services. Then there is AWS EC2, which direct the infrastructure management. Furthermore, there is AWS ECS, which has flexible container-based deployment. AWS Lambda, which is event-driven and has serverless execution. And lastly, AWS App Runner, which is optimized for the containerized apps. So, depending on your project, you might want to explore these alternatives. So, to wrap things up, AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies the process of deploying and managing the applications by handling the infrastructure, scaling, and monitoring automatically. While it has some limitations, the wide range of AWS alternatives ensures that you have options based on your project's complexity and scale. So that's it for today's video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you in the next one, and drop any questions in the comments below. Also have I will attach a document about the Elastic Beanstalk, which is the official document provided by Amazon Web Services inside the description. Check it if you want to have more details about it. See you.